Here's a recap on the 2005 Jeep Liberty heater core. These are all the trim pieces, kick panels, the under covers for the glove box and driver, A-pillar covers, HVAC controls, console. Yeah, you'll get there. So I didn't need to take the instrument cluster out or the cover off. At least I don't think the cover. So these two bolts right here, two more over there, one right there, and there's one way back up in there. Those are 10s. Alright, and you got these two bolts right here. When you put it back together, make sure all your vacuum lines and harness is out of the way. That'll bind you up. As far as electrical, only harness I disconnected was the HVAC controls, the windows, door locks, and anything that was connected from the dash to the HVAC box. So temperature sensor, fan, plug, and then the back window windows. So 213s up here, 213s here. When you go to put it back together, those bolts right up in there past that stud, put those in first before you start bolting the dash back down, because you're gonna have to wiggle it in there because it's hard to get a ratchet and everything around that stud. So you're gonna have to go off at a crooked angle, then get it straight. So get those two knocked down first. I marked the bracket so I know where to put it back at. The way everything helps stays lined up, you can see it marked there and on target. So also that 2, 1 and 2 will drop the steering wheel down. The only concern I have with doing that was this harness right here. I just snapped that out of there. That gave me play. It was getting kind of tight right here, so I was worried about that. And if that's it, just button it all up. Oh, apologies. And this bracket right here, that can come out last, go in last, I guess. As long as you can get your HVAC controls. All right, Asta.